Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you a different type of version of the classic treat boxes. So I think I mentioned earlier on this month that I wanted to try and redecorate, reuse the packaging that Stampin' Up do because they are so wonderful. I think the last time I made this, in fact I don't even remember how I decorated the last version of this, but what I did like, that not only is it simple, gorgeous abstract beauty DSP, very simple sentiment on the front. Obviously the gold on the DSP matches the gold lidded box, but do you know what excited me more than anything? This will appeal to some people. It fit 4 of my little chocolate bars in there. I was so excited. I thought, I wonder if they'll fit. Oh my goodness, 4 chocolate bars in one box. Just how cool is that? So that actually just made my day. Even though I'd realised that this works well, once I saw that, I was as happy as you can imagine. So yeah, so 4 chocolates fit in one of these boxes, which is perfect. So yeah, super simple, beautiful boxes. Quick favours, thank you gifts, anything like that. You could fit tea lights in there. Just perfect. So Simply Classic treat boxes. They come in a pack of 10. They come flat packed and you get the base and the lid, which I know you'll have seen before, but I just find them brilliant. So the base is very simple. You just fold it back on the opposite direction that it was already, and then it pretty much holds its shape. Inside flap there, you're just going to fold in, and that just hides this business. So fold your elbows in, or your shoulders as I call them, fold your top over, and then just fold that slightly and tuck it in. And that is your base made up. So they're quick favours. Put in your chocolate bars. So excited that these fit. Pop in your favourite chocolate bars. I think actually surprisingly I have some to hand, but I think you may also be able to get, this is where I don't get the open box. Oh no, I did. You may also get, oh, you could actually be even craftier. Pop one of those or even 2 of those in the bottom and then that on top. Ultimate gift, if you ask me. Ultimate gift. So yes, you can fit lots of goodies in here. Right, let's pop these back in again. Sorry, chocolate just excites me beyond. So once you've got that in, we've got your box then, your lid. Again, exactly the same concept. This time though, I want to add my DSP before I stick it together. Back in with my seal, and I've gone for this one this time. Just love this. It's just, again, pulling out that gold, but it's quite a simple colour. If you were using it as favours and you wanted to introduce colour, you could always colour in the flowers or the leaves or something, or even the background. But yeah, these are super cute. So you need one piece that is 4.5 by 4.5 centimetres and 4 that are 4 by 4.5. So we're going to stick these 4 on the sides. So literally just stick them on. Oh, I just love that this is such a quick and easy project, but looks amazing. And if people say, have you made that? You can be like, yes, because technically it's not a fib, is it? It's just, you know, yes, I have made it. I put the paper on, I put the chocolates in, added the sentiment. I mean, granted, no, I didn't make the box itself, but I could if you wanted me to. So those are those pieces stuck on the side. Just gorgeous, isn't it? Now we can just fold this in exactly the same, like I said, as before. That liner in, your shoulders in, and then your top over. Okay, so obviously the wise ones of you will have noticed that, well, hang on a minute, we have this tiny little loop here and that's not going to cut it. Super simple. So 4.5 by 4.5, pencil, ruler, find the centre. So 4.5 is, hang on, so no, that's not going to help either. So 4.5 is 2.25. So Or did I go off? Oh, beautiful grid paper. It comes back again, look. Stick your square on there, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares, 3.5. Thank you very much. That is the centre. Same on the opposite side. 3.5. 3.5. Thank you very much. There's my centre point. Get in my little crocodile. Now, did I use the small or the large? Small one. Small punch in there, in the crosshairs. You can see that pencil mark. Thank you very much. That hole has been punched right in the centre. I'm trying to, whoops. I think maybe I used the larger punch. Looking at that, so we're just gonna go over that again. Just make that hole a fraction bigger. And then put the adhesive on. I'm doing this on all 4 sides of this one just because of that loop of thread there. Pop it through. And then it should pretty much line up anyway. Stick your DSP on your lid, and there's your loop. And then make sure my chocolates are facing the correct way. Just a lovely little bit of Just Jade, which I haven't used for a while, but I love. Hello Beautiful stamp set. I'm just going to stick with the thank you, I think. And then my Versamark. My gold powder. And just dust that over. Heat tool to the rescue. I don't know why I'm talking in like sections, you know, like dot, this is the next thing, dot, this is the next thing. I have no clue why I'm talking like that today. One of those days, I guess. So heat up that lovely sentiment. And then I'm going to die cut it with these Beautiful Shapes dies. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I keep my dies separate to my stamps. So all my dies are in a little container to one side, all my stamps are literally just above me here. I've had a little shift around. But whenever I go and grab a stamp set, I'm always thinking to myself, what dies go with this? Or is it a punch? Or is it a standalone stamp? I can never remember. I don't like to keep them together just because it's messy. I don't do messy. So I came up with a lovely little, and I'm sure lots of people do it, but I'm very slow to these kind of parties. I just got a little sticky note, a little post-it note that tells me which dies go with this stamp, so when I pick it up I know that it's got the Beautiful Layers dies. As and when I come to get rid of this, I also know which one it is, but I can then just simply open my box up, take my insert out if needs be, and I can just then remove that. And it's not damaged it, but equally I know now which stamp it belongs to. So yeah, quite pleased with that. Right, let's run this sentiment through here. As I say, I'm sure lots of people do that, but for me that's a new and exciting thing. I haven't done it with all of my stamps yet, I must add. That'll be a weekend job, I think. Okay, so grabbed that lovely little die. Just fits nicely on there. Run it through. And there's my lovely sentiment that I'm simply going to stick on with a couple of dimensionals. And as I say, I do like this, and I think the good thing about this is the gold and the white, you can actually use any colour. So you could use pinks, blues, absolutely anything. And I'm just going to pop that on there. And that's it. I don't think you need anything else, do you? But how cute are they? And they're full of my favourite chocolates. Thank you for joining me, guys, and hope to see you all again soon. Bye.